Hello student, today I am going to tell you about the study the various element of mechanical refrigeration system through cut section model or actual operator. First of all, we will see this figure. In this figure, this is the VCR cycle. First of all, the refrigerant come into this compressor. After this compression, both the pressure and temperature will get increased when it will pass through the condenser, where it will remove the latent heat to the surrounding, and there will be a phase change from vapor to liquid. Then it will pass through the expansion valve, where it will expand and both the pressure and temperature will get decreased. After this expansion valve, it will pass through the evaporator. When it will pass through the evaporator, where it will absorb the heat, latent heat from there, and there will again phase change from liquid to vapor, and this vapor comes into this compressor, where both the pressure and temperature will get increased. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the compressor. We have different type of compressor which we will use in our refrigeration system. We have this reciprocating type, hermetically sealed type, reciprocating type compressor and semi-hermetically sealed type compressor. We have two types of compressor, hermetically sealed and semi-hermetically sealed type compressor. And another one compressor, if we will talk about, we have rotary compressors, cut section models are also available. And next one, if we will talk about centrifugal compressor are there, then we have screw type compressor are also there, and we have helical type compressors are also there. So first of all, I am going to tell you about this hermetically sealed type compressor. So this is the cut section model of the hermetically sealed type compressor. So as everybody know, this type of compressor are positive type displacement compressor, which is used to increase the pressure and temperature. So in this case, this is the cut section model. Look at here, both the motor and the cylinder piston arrangement both are placed in the same dome, which are welded together. So these are mostly used in our domestic type refrigeration. I will take the example, you can see this type of compressor in our domestic refrigerator. Okay, so this section in which both the compressor and motor and cylinder piston arrangement in same dome, this type of compressor are called hermetically sealed type compressor. Next we have semi-hermetically sealed type of compressor. So what is the difference between hermetically sealed type compressor and semi-hermetically sealed type compressor? Look at here in this cut section. In this case, both the motor and cylinder piston arrangement in the same dome, and these same dome are welded together. So there is which is used to prevent the leakage of the refrigerant through the system. So it will prevent the leakage. But during its maintenance, it is very tough to maintain such type of compressor, because if I have to maintain repair this hermetically sealed type compressor, first we have to cut down this section of welding. Then after removing the top part, then we can repair its parts. But in semi-hermetically sealed type compressor, both the upper and lower part are welded together with the help of both nut and bolt. So when we have need to repair it, we will simply remove the nut and bolt and we can repair the same part easily as compared to a hermetically sealed type of compressor. Next we have a rotary type of compressor out there. So look at here on this chart. We have a rotary type of compressor. In this compressor we have casing, rotor, vanes, suction and discharge, and shaft are there. So when a rotor is rotating around the shaft, then this rotor is also rotating. That when the fresh charge is coming inside into this cylinder arrangement, when rotor will rotate, it will compress the charge, and high pressure and high temperature liquid, your refrigerant will go through this, and when it will enter it at a low pressure and temperature, when it will compress inside with the help of this rotor, then high pressure and high discharge pressure will go to the condenser through this discharge valve. Okay, so this is all about this rotary compressor. Next we have centrifugal compressor. As we are seeing from this figure, we have this central short volute casing and impeller are also there. So when the charge refrigerant is passing through this eye of this impeller, and it will throw the refrigerant to the outer side casing, then its pressure and temperature both will get increased, and high pressure and temperature refrigerant will pass to the condenser where it will condense. And next we have screw type of condenser, in which both screw are rotated in the opposite direction. When refrigerant is passing from inlet, then it will pass through the screw type compressor. It will get compressed inside this screw, and when it will enter into low pressure and low temperature, and when it will compress inside the screw type of compressor, the outlet of your refrigerant will go to the condenser at high pressure and high temperature. So this is all about the compressor which we will use mostly in our refrigeration.